Welcome back. In this tutorial you will learn about variables and constants in Swift language. By using var you can make any kind of variable. If you do not want to initialize you can write it like this. Otherwise you can initialize by doing assigning value. If you do not know the type of variable you can make it with any type. It will automatically become the same variable according to the assigning value. To make a variable of constant type we will use let instead of var. When program runs view did load function is called. You can see the output in the console. Optional is written with it because these variables can be nulled. To remove these optional string we use guard statement. Here you can see optional text is removed. In the next tutorial I will teach you about basics of functions.